Rise and fight. The Trump redemption in the face of adversity, true leaders rise. In the heart of the United States, a tale of resilience unfolded. It began with the tumultuous fall of a man whose name echoed across the globe, Donald J. Trump. Once hailed as the beacon of hope for some and the epitome of controversy for others, his journey took an unexpected turn. But within the depths of his despair, Trump found the ember of determination still burning within him. It all started on a fateful day when the political landscape shifted beneath his feet. Defeated in a landslide election, Trump faced the bitter sting of loss. The once mighty titan of industry now stood at the precipice of obscurity. But true to his nature, he refused to surrender to defeat. With each setback, Trump faced a choice: to crumble beneath the weight of his failures or to rise from the ashes like a phoenix reborn. And rise he did, for Trump was not one to fade quietly into the night. Instead, he embarked on a journey of self-discovery and redemption. In the quiet moments of solitude, Trump reflected on his past triumphs and tribulations. He pondered the lessons learned and the mistakes made. But most importantly, he reaffirmed his unwavering commitment to his vision: to make America great again. But the path to redemption was fraught with obstacles. Trump encountered resistance at every turn, from political adversaries to former allies turned foes. Yet, with each challenge, he grew stronger and more determined than ever before. It was during these trying times that Trump discovered the true measure of leadership. He realized that greatness was not defined by victory alone, but by the ability to persevere in the face of adversity. And so, armed with newfound wisdom and resolve, Trump set out to reclaim his legacy. But his journey was far from over. Along the way, Trump encountered a cast of characters both friend and foe. From loyal supporters who stood by his side through thick and thin to cunning adversaries hell-bent on his downfall, each encounter shaped his destiny in ways he never could have imagined. Yet, through it all, Trump remained steadfast in his mission. He refused to be swayed by the naysayers or deterred by the doubters. For he knew that the fate of the nation hung in the balance, and he alone possessed the vision and the will to see it through. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Trump's resolve only grew stronger. He crisscrossed the country, rallying the masses with his fiery rhetoric and unyielding passion. And with each passing day, his message resonated with more and more Americans who shared his dream of a brighter future. But just when it seemed victory was within reach, tragedy struck. A devastating blow threatened to derail Trump's quest once and for all. It was a moment of reckoning, a test of faith unlike any other. In the darkest hour of his life, Trump found himself at a crossroads. He could either succumb to despair and abandon his dreams, or he could summon the strength within him to persevere against all odds. And in that moment, Trump made his choice. With unwavering determination, Trump rose from the ashes once more. He dusted himself off and faced his demons head-on, refusing to let them dictate his destiny. For he knew that true greatness lay not in avoiding failure, but in overcoming it. And so, with renewed purpose, Trump forged ahead, his eyes set firmly on the horizon. He knew that the road ahead would be long and arduous, but he also knew that he would not walk it alone. For he had the support of millions who believed in his vision and the courage to see it through to the end. In the end, Trump's journey was not just a story of personal redemption, but a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It was a reminder that no matter how far we fall, we always have the power to rise again. And as long as there are dreamers willing to fight for what they believe in, the American dream will never die. Click on subscribe for more such inspiring stories and don't forget to like, comment and share this one.